Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you're doing well. I am doing fantastic. So today I'm doing a house hunting along Thika Road, to be specific, Zimmerman area. So Zimmerman is along Thika Road and around Kasarani areas, Roysambu areas. So if you're looking for a house around these areas, just sit back, relax, and enjoy. And if you like this type of content, please don't forget to subscribe. And also, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. So let's get into the video. So the first house is a one-bedroomed house. So when you enter the house, there's a small corridor, and then the first thing you see as you enter the house is the kitchen. As you can see, the kitchen has cabinets, a small storage area, and it is nice for a one-bedroom house in Zimmerman. So yeah, as you can see, the kitchen has some storage areas. And now after the kitchen, there is a combined bathroom and toilet. And then we have the bedroom. So this one bedroom goes for 10,500 shillings, and it's in Zimmerman. So next we have this bedsitter unit. It is in the same apartment as the one-bedroom house. As you can see, it has a kitchen area, it has a combined toilet and bathroom, it has enough storage areas for a bedsitter. Yeah, it's special enough. Now, next we have this one bedroom apartment. Now this one is separate from the ones that I've been showing. So as you can see, we have started from the bedroom. It has a small cabinet. Sorry for the lighting, the house was somehow dark. Then we have the kitchen. As you can see, it has cabinets for storage. Then we have a combined bathroom and toilet. But these feels, they come and go, and they come so easily. Tell me what it is. And now the living room area. So this one goes for 11,500 shillings. also located in Zimmerman. So guys, the first one bedroom goes for 10,500 Kenyan shillings. Then the bedsitter, which is in the same apartment, goes for 7,500 Kenyan shillings. And the last one bedroom goes for 11,500 Kenyan shillings. All the houses are in Zimmerman, and the number will be in the description box if you wish to go and view the house. So thank you so much for clicking on this video. Thank you so much for watching till the end. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Until the next video guys, kwaheri.